Everybody say, say, how can I express my gratitude for all the many things you've done for me? Words are not enough to say thank you. So Lord, you are my everything. You're my everything. How can I express my gratitude? How can I express my gratitude for all the many things you've Father, you done for me, yeah. Words are not enough to say thank you. So Lord, you are, you're my everything. See, I call you Jireh. Lord, my provider. I call you Nisi. You are my battle. I call you Rapha. Hey. You are my healer. Say, Lord, you are. You're my everything. I call you Jireh. Lord, my provider. I call you Nisi. You are my battle. I call you Rapha. You are my healer. Say, Lord, you are. You're my everything. We are nothing in now. We are nothing in now. We are nothing in now. Oh, we are nothing in now. Yeah, so we are nothing in now. We are nothing in now. Yeah, we are nothing in now. Oh, we are nothing in now. Say, I call you Jireh. Say, I call.
Ye fema ye wo London. Ya ji abasobodie bebre. Ne ya redare e wo mranse mu. Eye legal services, be to say family law, matrimonial law, immigration, dispute resolution, Ghanaian customary, any family law. Wo BWF die, yen solicitors e de anigye e na twitwaje wo na ye bo nso nya den kra. Yen partner penimpa Bernardo Wusu aye lawyer ewo UK memu bebru mfie duonu nkron 29 years. BWF Solicitors kura won ho. Inti se ba na ebusuansem bi te se child care eye abofrahwe mu awarja ye ho twema mentwe ene ohye ana injunction ye de to domestic violence so a ye ma legal assistance ya edimu na ye adwuma nso. Yen child care any family team no nim nia wo famu ewe nia ya wo brei mu enu nti ne yeto ye mbo asema wafutu a esefata ewo kokoa mu. Yen senior partner obi a Law Society Family Law Accreditation Panel agina tumu na osanso ye member na kyerese eba no se ye gina wachi etwitwaje ewo family any matrimonial cases ho a wonni haw kra. Wupe advice ewo immigration sensem ho. Wo BWF Solicitors die ye immigration team no abredare ewo general immigration ho nsemsem kosi complex immigration, work permit, student visa ho totoye, any entry clearance visas, family visas ni appeals. Yen senior partner eye member na wasagina tum ewo Law Society Immigration Accreditation Panel. Inti se taiwachi a wonni haw kra. Ye bie an office free juada ekosi fiada anopa no nkronpa mu ekosi enumre no nsia eye 9:30 am kosi 6 pm ena memene danso eye appointment nko free anopa no ndu ekosi ewia no 9 eye 10 am kosi 4 pm. Ye wo 4th floor ewo Anna House 214-218 Tottenham High Road, London N15 4NP. Sawun 93 Seven Sisters Underground nso a eye kwantie bi. Yen senior partner Bernardo Wusu san ye barrister ya gina tumu na oye Ghana Bar Association member ena wasan gina se mranimfo ewo court cases ya efa Ghana law ho. Wa advise local authorities, official solicitors office ni solicitors bebree efa Ghanaian law ho yi na osan yo bi a otai kasa ewo radio any TV so fa Ghanaian law ho.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the geographical location of your area. It's a privilege to come to your way with another episode of Legal Hour, BWF Solicitors. We are going to have a little bit of dedication on our legal matters, immigration status or immigration matters, litigation matters, contract matters, Ghanaian law, just coming to your way. My name is Manyeti. It's a privilege to come to your way once again. Uniadofo, Unianom, ahwɛfoɔ ne tiefoɔ anapa nso mɛda mo ase baabi biara wowɔ mede nkyia kɛseɛ ɛfiri BWF Solicitors foɔ aso ɛyɛ de ma wo ɛyɛ me anigye ɛyɛ me ahoahoa sɛ adom no nti mɛtumi aba mo akwan na mede saa adwumadie yi ɛyɛ a BWF Solicitors aka abɔ mu yi de brɛ mo Chairman Kenyame madanya shimene bine lebine ake tofile dromona ne kekewo ni wombanye no ke liga awa chukome eko mesre wo se unya beka ye ho pe bomoden enam odo a owo ma sa program yi bomoden na share na obi nso ensanka BWF Solicitors uhwehwe mo ikira kwan a enye yera kwan titia se uti UK abonten so a ɛno ara sɛ London Seven Sisters sɛ woba London Seven Sisters a sɛ wofa underground wofa bus wofa train baabiara just heading towards Seven Sisters sɛ wopie wɔ underground Seven Sisters ne so a bɔ mmɔden ansa na wobɛpie no ka sɛ wohwehwɛ exit number 2 wopie yɛ a wobɛhu sɛ abansoro kakraka bi si w'anim saa abansoro no so yɛato anim sɛ Anna House. Omo wɔ 4th floor. Wokɔ hɔ a, nsɛm biara ɛda w'akoma so. Ɛnam nneɛma a mebobɔɔ so yi, immigration ho nsɛm, litigation ho nsɛm, family law ho nsɛm, na wode kɔsoɛ ɔmo a, ɔmo bɛgyina so na ɔmo di w'asɛm de ama wo. Mɛda wo ase, mesrɛ mo, ma mo nkɔ baabiara, mongyina so na ɛnɛ yɛwɔ nneɛma papa de brɛ mo. Me din biom, Manyeti. Ɛnɛ anigyesɛm ne sɛ, yɛnya yɛn papa kentinka, yɛn papa Dr. Bernard Owusu, pɛmu nankasa, ɔyɛ senior partner ɛwɔ BWF Solicitors, ɔne yɛn ɛba abɛdi ɛyɛ saa adesua yi. Na yɛka BWF Solicitors a, yɛhwɛ mmara no mu a, ɛne abra ɔmo hyɛ aseɛ sɛ ɔmo yɛ saa adwuma yi a, na kyerɛ sɛ yɛkeka kɔ 30 years now, yɛapa 29 years a yɛkeka kɔ 30 years, na kyerɛ sɛ ɔmo abɛn yie. Yɛka nimdeɛ ɛwɔ saa nneɛma a yɛba abɛsua yi a na kyerɛ sɛ ɔmo gyina ɔmo nan so paa. Na yɛka nea pɔtɔ bɛka sɛ yɛma award anaasɛ yɛbɔ wɔ abasoɔ ɛwɔ ade pa a woyɛ ɛne nimdeɛ a wowɔ saa ade pa ne ho a na kyerɛ sɛ ɔmo mpo deɛ ɔmo anya bebree. Na kentinka mmienu bi a ɔmo anya ɛwɔ family law ho ɛne immigration ho no na ɛkyerɛ sɛ sɛnea asɛm no tie biara, sɛnea wɔn nsɛm no tie, sɛ ebubu, sɛ asɛe, sɛ anidaso ɛnni hɔ koraa no, wode bɛsoɛ ɔmo a, bɛka kyerɛ wo sɛ ɛbɛyɛ yie de ama wo. Enti mɛda wo ase. Adɔfo a moaba Facebook so ne YouTube ne so, yɛ medias ne nyinaa, yɛwɔ BW Radio nso, ma mo werɛ mfi. BW Radio, wopɛ sɛ wotie wɔ hɔ, ebia on the go, wonni yɛka ne sɛ wobɛba Facebook anaa YouTube na kɔ BW Radio, wobɛtumi atie wɔ radio mu, wo car mu, wobɛtumi atie wɔ baabi a wɔ wo phone so, wobɛtumi atie, na kyerɛ sɛ wo nso waka abusua ne ho. Saa nso na wokɔ yɛn website ɛyɛ BWF Solicitors website a ɔhɔ nso so wobɛtumi anya ɛwɔ hɔnom na woatie. Baabia yɛwɔ hɔ, yɛwɔ Twitter, yɛwɔ Instagram, yɛwɔ baabi biara a wobɛtumi anya saa animdie wobɛnya ɛwɔ hɔnom. Nti mɛda wo ase. Wobaeɛ a manya aka sɛ ɔdɔ a wowɔ nti no, bɔmmɔden ana hyɛ, ma wo nko ara wonkyɛ ndi because ɛnɛ nsɛm a yɛba bɛka ho asɛm no, experience bebree na nkurɔfoɔ anya wɔ saa adeɛ no ho, na yɛbɛbisa sɛ adɛn nti na ɔsɛ ɛba ne saa. Enti no, bɔ mmɔden ara na frɛ wo nua bi, frɛ wo adamfo bi, frɛ wo dɔfoɔ bi, wo maame bi, wo papa bi, abusua bi, sɛ mombɛtie o, na mmerɛ no aso, efiada anɔpa no aso, yɛde saa nimdeɛ yi ɛresan aba. Memma me kasa ɛnkyɛ. meko ahoma so na sorry me frɛ Uncle Ben na waba na ɔno nso de nkyia kɛseɛ de ama etiefo na ahwɛfo ne ebusua ne nyinaa na owie a nsɛm bi ɛkokɔkɔ so sɛ yɛ rumor sɛ yɛ nokorɛ video mabisa ne ho nsɛm tia wapɛ na afei yɛfiri hɔ a yɛahwɛ sɛ update bɛn na ɛwɔ system ne mu a ɛbɛdi ɛboa yɛ anaasɛ ɛmbi a na wonteɛ anaasɛ wate mpo na wasan abɔ so biom de ama yɛ na afei deɛ ne ɛsɛ sɛ ɛnɛ yɛde bremo no ya sha nso efiri ho enti Uncle Ben patchomima good morning.
Good morning manya tea as I say
adom nko a papa patchomi ho ye pa na patchom nso
yeho adom ye ho ye papa
ye de nyame ase
anopai de ye chia ye nuanom nyina ne atiefo na ye de nyame ase se anopai watimi ama ya hoden na ye nyina ya sori a ye ba na ye ne mabedin kita ho say whether na enshada nya kama de but apart from that no bibia ye absolutely fine enti mama ye nyina ye mompa koso and support ye ho na ye mompa and so my Ukraine for na more problems or more go through na and then say na de bia ye no ye behwe ade a ebeboa community no sana munim BWF Solicitors no ye community lawyers. You're impeding as a community lawyers. Your preferred community lawyers because important sir your community no. You bet me aboa na ye dwumadi a was ye di na ye timi de dane ne ma bi ani na ye nuanom timi etene ma bi ase no ene be ye timi sa atoma
yo Uncle Ben me da say Uncle Ben frama me won say frama hwehwe bi ebo wo ho pa na ba baby sa secret no yo adofo tiefo a ye mo hwe ye beda Uncle Ben ase na mo abeka ye hwe mesre mo da so a ekutu esre mo say mam nkwa mo nchemfa ye ka ne say wo hwe o Facebook ne so wo hwe o YouTube ne so a broni kasa na wa tro asese e share no say obi say ya me kasa na me ya rude we de me sra mo anye rude o say ye mfa ka enko ho eno anse wo de wonsa ebe mia so afenso ye nje usika se umia sharing bottom na ntimpa mo cho mo mia sharing bottom no na ebeboa obi ewo baabi sa obi di adanse se oni de oninam Facebook ne so na obi share program na o si o na we nso de den na ohun se me wo ho no na opese obehwe nipa ko eye ne se onimi na obe aye na obehun program no enne wegina ne nanso enya ne immigration ne ho akenka enti na che se sharing no eboa munhyema ye why munhyema ye yo ye beda ase Uncle Ben ansa na ye bekọ ye main topic na na say update no we de memfa betwam tia wapɛ just a very short one fiti beye na wotwe mu mema say especially within 3-4 days videos and crofo de breme edoso concerning last week mema lawyer Patrick Eboso kakrabem say crofo anti ne yi say sisia ne yen papa Boris Johnson ebeka say omo claim refugee ne ada salam seekers no sisia de oba na say wo ha illegal na yensa so mu a ye do eko Rwanda nti no abeye ma obi mu di video kra be kire me se nkrofo ya so mu dodo na plane kese aye ma ye ne omo ko ebi mu sun ebi mu se omo nte da na ye nim say if it's the right thing to do for the economy and not the wrong thing and ye omo anomu nim ne nti a ye chill ana say o ye illegal na say o siki asylum ana say refugee a ye ne obekọ ye kan say Rwanda na afe Ukraine for de omosi omombra kurum ha no aye debate just say nsem bebre ekọ na ayem bia ne em papa ne kan Uncle Ben say ye nokre say nye nokre yinim say mo a mudi nkita wo law yi mu de obetumi ama bi bitia wa kitikiti keke na nkrofo asom enjo mo papa pachawadaroma.
Okay, I mean first of all I'm Ritia any you can be about Nationality and Borders Act na your bill of 2022 unfortunately no almost sign a act into a law queen sign or the pen sign no and then answer 28th no sorry and then answer 28th Enra, and 29th.
Yes.
Enra, Queen assignment abeye law. Enti Enra, first batch, Queen assign we ya first batch ko. Omko Rwanda. Basically, no, your friend be a friend of 1951 Geneva Convention and your friend a Refugee Convention. Just after the Second World War in 1945, you know. Parties say we are seeing now in India feel say maybe betimi aba obi wo hwa ne ho be kire especially Jew for no the bar no enti we are seeing now no nkrofo bebre assign sa agreement na your friend Geneva Convention no. Na sa Geneva Convention and the born refugees ho bon. Definition of a refugee is obi a ofi krofo froso krono ntimi emmon ho ban ana krono emmon ho ban ana krono etanani ana se krono pese obon ho ban ba bibi potenti ontimi mmon ho ban no nipa na free sa krono so aba krofo froso. Na British for no omo main argument ne se wetimi free France aba anye I say nka wodi adro of France ano ama ye be bibi a friend of Dublin Convention eno no ba se the first safe place I will be doing, I will also do a draw. About the Tremco. This one, no, I be omo freno, say extension of the United Kingdom, or more obligations under the UN Convention. No. Almost say, and yes, I am fast alam no mau. But you do call Rwanda near process. Now, mon Shadonson, Rwanda, wohoi. Omo won crofo free Congo aba ho be die duro ama omo approve. Britain de crofo ko Rwanda omo fa Congolese fo ni be de omo ba.
Okay.
Yes. Enti won ya de ukwa Rwanda ebe legal council and a joint council for the welfare of immigrants. Omo nyina ya be concerned because the bottom line is sa bibi a friend of optics. Optics and say yeah election next week. Enti Boris Johnson person approve say oh tough. And intina washada emie montem na adeno eko makwen nso assign no. That is one part. The second part no say what is the effect of this? A breach of the Geneva Convention na. Well, Nkrofo say a breach of Geneva Convention. Nkrofo say a breach of Geneva Convention. The bottom line is, unfortunately, no, for omo a titru omo ba ewo poso a omo ti dangers mo amade ba no. So umunya bedu ha won't nakra ni asan kukuru ni ado ko Rwanda. E ho de be ko consider our application. Say so successful I do be ba ha. Meanwhile, no, part of the agreement is say omo Rwanda ya approve omo asylum dada no before even law iba no. Omo di omo nyina beba to the UK. Okay. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Just say, areshemu ohonom. Na yibehu inti dodo na omu take advantage na omu nsem no ubehwemu na enye nokre no na chese baby a ufi no na ye no ko well yehwa nefa bi no ebeye ebi mu de nefa bi no nso no enye ebi mu de because say ntro na ode bade a ubehu say ohun beka yo uncle ben ye beda wase ni sa nchechemu at least me gidi se dodo na omakoma beto mumu yo na ye koye ni momre ne komom na nso ne nyina eka edwumade a ye di ne ho uncle ben ayem bia na apart from that no na nso na otwe a ye kotwa ye ho simei ene vingana mpo kakra no ayem bia bibi abetwem na obi nso bisa me traveling bans na ye ne nyina free UK no amu koso a ntiase ne ye papa na na do nso beka wo airports ensem ne nyina or still I and to ibi mo asum e man crofo bisa well not necessarily you talking about that but then say update bi e wo system ne mo a e wo say ye hu ampacho obetumi de atodwa amaye ana.
Well, I mean, first of all, updates are about 6th of April, Ibia Bako, 2nd of May, Ibibeba, I'm saying 22nd of August, and so Ibibeba. Updates in the especially about immigration. I review immigration laws, you know, as we speak, you know. Near maybe or you be high net worth migrants, and as microphobia more recognize you almost more special talent or meet media better in UK. Omodi aba on the 6th of April. 80 I think so we a student say wo wie wo university na wo ho kwan say obe apply either 2 years or 3 years. Now they are adwuma wo hia employer wa be ye adwuma. Now between time I will apply no anytime I be be ma no what does you student. Enti enyina nso nim say student bia no restrictions were employment ho. So your term time we adwuma 20 hours. A vacation ultimately adwuma full time. From this month no ultimately we university we application. I won't try I'm a decision number. Ultimately adwuma full time and also allowed. Yenim so say omode another category your friend a points based system aspect of it aba and also no wunya employer wunya hwe there was certain universities omoye category A universities omoye special universities so ukose universities ne bia uwia and also your ma ho kwan say ya adwuma wunya employer wunya income level bia eno an say ya ma ho kwan say ya adwuma eno nso wo ho private and family life amendments and so abba. First of all, you can call on the other that call out to me apply for 5 years immediately and I say indefinite leave immediately. Young adults so between 18 and 25, the same thing apply to Omo. Omo create another one for private life. So we bet me a say corona will free so no. Won't mean because bibi potin bi wo ho a esi kwan and on some they become private life for ho. Omo four categories. There were 7 years there. There were between 18 and 25 there. There were almost year above 25. Almost 20 years there. And then the last category the abetana say problem be wo ukro mo ho. And I will bet me a chair say when ukro no montema tete so much say when mo bia ho wontimi nko back to ukro ma. And don't see ebema wasetena. And don't see another category which is very very good.
Okay.
The final one me pesa mekano English language. Last year kan ba nkrofo ante ase. So why English UK school. Me kan school from secondary school to sixth form. Me kan university.
Okay.
Wutimi use sa English. Me kan O level English o. Me kan A level English. So why English nkwa UK we okay so we be used as part of the knowledge and life in UK no. Knowledge, a purely English language. And ka English test at level B1 no. So why English language no kwa dia utimi first no na for business point based system no. But you see how many about family no cover both private life and family life. To be our application under 276 AD be our call for indefinite leave ubetimi use wo A-level English certificate no the first now intimi fanye. So na obi or your wife, husband or apply for the spousal application ubetimi use English language we sua e secondary school and sixth form no na what dey and also ya dey eboa because clearly no enye nkola no nyina na etimi ko university. Entinka first no ko university otimi use certificate no. See, I uncle university no why English with UK. Me nkasa Ghana A level. Me see UK. UK near both England, Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland. Yeah. Why A level English with Hong Kong there obetimi use. The other one I very very good. Emma Obia. I'm say last year bosso. Health and social care no. Omo the abeka shortage occupation. Na nyame ncha de ya ama yenya Ghana first business omamano sponsor rated A onye bio oye A.
Wow.
The first one eba nanansa. I mean there were a few in the pipeline. Intimene no bekasa and then no appointment 2 o'clock. Ya no kasa no my permission. Ya di nidin be mamo na maye you're the first person be free Ghana. Yes. You're the first person about on visa no your application I'm issuing within 5 days because we are category rated A we are okay sir would you be back now within that route no you will be a friend of defined and undefined course near a certificate of sponsorship and yes certificate I the amount to say report and a code number Now, so defined and undefined, eventually, a bit church a bit technical, and to me, person me bore with. So we are category A, and now rated A, now we are rated B. Now we are cleaner, which means you issue both defined and undefined course, certificate of sponsorship. Now, my business is be wɔ omo boa nkrofo mo maba matenze so omo charge £7,000 between wo and sa business no that is the reason why I am fire honji sa nema we mu because minim the entia I also be charge 7,000 and so I employ will be minim there but me cousin be the abra me go me phone so no yama ne wo fa ase ama ono. In fact, we are calling visa cry over almost 7,000. Almost any ticket can home. And I don't know about that. The year the baby to a habiano. Skasem be any ho. And one is all qualifying quadia. Now why you English no Ghana, no one passing quadia or befa. But a good news is say almost the health and social care no. I can't shortage occupation. First, nurses, pharmacists. Kwana na was shortage occupation. So see a carers ne sa domiciliary workers domiciliary workers ne nyina omo nyina omo de omo abeka shortage occupation. It's ne nyina very good. Eventually no ye be ma mahu say na mo betimi aya. And make a business and so mo run nursing home and nursing agencies no. Wuntimi enye sponsorship license. Now we find employer will be my third party. We are nursing agency, Saudi America won't count, but we are nursing home, and our staff, no, a year juma, a mao nursing home, Saudi way a year mao, and I think said the route, no, we say your application about 4 weeks ago, and mano, and then an answer, rated A, which is brilliant news for Ghana for my home.
What a good news. Wow. Uncle Beda was saying, now we are church, not agency, but nursing home, no? Because, not mammy being so home, or no, I think so, agency, but or no contract with the council, or no supply council, no, with the staff, no, to no, so be say, obetumi ayana, but from what you are saying, I don't know where her category may lie. You know, as time goes on, na wa elaborate kakran so the amana dodo na ehu the difference between the agency and the home itself no na omenya santi ase no anto be beda wase tie for good news there ewo na senior American e bi mo charge dread na eye wanwa English no so cost so this term new set as started this week after the half term no Nyamiadom we have more than 20 students on board. Uncle Ben, thanks to you we say business is booming here the Nyamiase ntino sa se opese wo register English no na unya sa strategies I dey try obenya good math na udenya application no e dey aba no you can still call me after the program na register yes I say this week you can join my na omo nkọ enim endu baby afi omo nyina ye set na afi na opese oba beka ho enti no enyina nso just advert nkito ani bi Uncle Ben nyame nhra afi yenko yenim good news out there ama yenyina yenko yenim na yenhwe ne etie ne se ya woman wo kromo ha ya woman wo kromo ha no man nkiti bi nti no obi bese misuban akoye bisi basaa bi embia na ye misuban emmi so na enye misuban ne amitia ne se yesi ye ne me ekọ me krom bebi a me fi na me bisa me ho obi a ya wo me wo krom ha obi besie nka no ye wo buku kokko yi a obi di hwa ho no na wo buku kokko na wo say it's like something like uwa ya wo dese wo na yenya entie enimde mbi so say wo kro wo kro a the possibility say ye betumi ene wa kọ krom ye hu say ye nokre say anya nokre Uncle Ben nti na ye say ye bisa say can I be deported from the UK even if I'm a British citizen or was born in the UK Uncle Ben question ye be say eden na obetumi aka afa ye ho yenhwe ne mra ne eka na afi mayensa nchechre no pacho wadaro
bring the nationality thing. Yes, sa kro we a ye wo laws wo ha. Now, the entire raises our topic a Nationality and Borders Act na Queen sign and run. You know who said ye coin ye kun bebre ama ebedu baby no so mo amende law no kakra. Currently no law na e wo ho na ye friend section 40 of the British Nationality Act and then ye dey go ye screen so no. Section 40 of the British Nationality Act no so we share section 42 now. Adia Kenny, or say the Secretary of State may deprive a person of a citizenship status if the Secretary of State is satisfied that the deprivation is conducive to public good. Ahono, Adia Kenny is a Secretary of State, you know, obetimi aje citizenship. Onka so obetimi aje Ghana ni citizenship. Ana obi oye Rwandanese, ana so obi a or ye Belgian or wabe naturalize waha. Or say the Secretary of State may by order deprive a person of a citizenship status if the Secretary of State is satisfied that the deprivation is conducive to public good. Enti sa we obi ayawo waha, we are British born. Wonko Ghana da, winim Ghana, o papa anya Ghana ni, o mame anya Ghana ni. But ona na ya Ghana ni ana ona na ba ya Ghana ni ya saa di we betimi afa wo ho de enti America saa ne se wo fi 2 no na wo 3 ya or say the Secretary of State may by order deprive a person of citizenship status which results from his registration or naturalization. Now this is where the difference is. The first one, there's no reference to registration or naturalization, which means we are British born. We are British citizens by descent or otherwise by descenter. You bet me a citizenship. Entimanya, ubisa me say ye wo waha as a British citizen. You bet me a nationality. Yes, under section 42, no, you bet me a nationality or British citizenship. A free sem say why ye bibi ama aban no feel say ade a why no. And yet conducive to public good. The anti-America sa no, uko 43 omo ye specific about omo metimi deprive omo ye, omo ma register and omo ma naturalize. But under 42 no, eye obia, including meba, woba, onana, menana. The internet sa no. Yenko the next part. 4. Section 44. Or see the Secretary of State may not make an order under section 2 if he is satisfied that the order will make a person stateless. Section 2 no ye obia Shamima Begum obia or ye British born bia even Tony Blair background or metimi agene British citizenship but qualification wo qualification in a year 44 yen read 44 ni bio or say section 44 the Secretary of State may not make an order under subsection 2. What is subsection 2? Subsection 2 no na actually say you wo kromo akra ebetimi ajo British citizenship no. The difference between subsection 2 and subsection 3 is say subsection 2 no, there's no reference to naturalization or registration. Subsection 3 no, there's reference to registration and naturalization, which means say I no apply to me ene wo ena obia young one waha but wabenya British citizenship. The only reason Emma Secretary of State intimin Jim Frew in 7 say ye Jifru in sema wuni kro. But yenhwe Article 6 of the Ghanaian Constitution. Let's look at the other one. Article 6 of Ghanaian Constitution, no, Article 6 2. Then eka. Enti manyeti se wo ba wa wonu wo kromo a wo ye Ghana ni. Section Article 6 of the Ghanaian Constitution, sub 2, or says, subject to the provision of this Constitution, a person born in or outside Ghana after the coming into force of this constitution shall become a citizen of Ghana at the date of his birth if either of his parents or grandparents is or was a citizen of Ghana. Mama yem poso aha. Section 42 of the British Nationality Act or say ye betimi agye citizenship efrunsem. Section 44 or say ye ntimi nje say ye gye a uni kro fufura obekɔ a enti Kofi Antobam ewo ba Yautano onko Ghana da wedi 25 years ye wo no UK ni papa Kofi Antobam efi Ghana ne ba ni papa Kofi Antobam owo no ye British ni maame Akua Mansa efi Ghana ane ba owo no nso ye British. Kofi Antobam papa eye Ghana ni ote Ghana. Kofi Antobam maame eye Ghana ni ote Ghana. Kofi Antobam ba na ye fra ne Yautano no. Ne nana eye Ghana ni. Then Article 62 ka. Osi na mom Kofi Yautano wo ya wo London na ya wo outside Ghana no because wo papa ana wo nana eye Ghana ni no. Wo so wo ya Ghana ni.
Ghana ni. Oh.
Enti wo ye British citizen a wo si o Uncle Ben asema wo kana me dem fa me ho. Me ye wo me wa ha me nana kra me nana ba ha 1964 ana 1952. Me papa ye wo no wa ha me ma me so ye wo no wa ha me so ye wo me wa ha enti ade a wo kan me mfa me ho me di me nsɛmɔne a de me pese me ye bia me ye yo mate hwɛ Ghana constitution is wo no wo ye Ghana ni wo ye Ghana ni because say wo papa ye Ghana ni because wo papa ne pa me ye Ghana ni nti ono nso ye Ghana ni wo ye Ghana ni because wo nana nso ye Ghana ni enti wo no sa protection na was section 44 no emo ho ban because you get British citizenship from Sama. We are stateless. We are Ghana ni. Ombeko Ghana commissioner koje passport near the wako. And I wako Ghana ya maombebium near local. Now, sadly way a crucial information I was a shadow so. Ya shada na ya shada chucha sa particular sections in the aba because ya ye topic either. But microphone brave feel so a far fetch se emfa omo. E fa me ba ho. Because my money nyina all those here woman nyina wa ha no omo ye Ghana for in fact all those who munkuta British passport da no Ghana constitution say ya papa Boris Johnson say wagye o British citizenship free nsem na one ne ye argument a obafre obi no wa ye Ghana wa ye no advice amano no the Ghana constitution to say the da ho no the aka ho eno ane say ya gye o citizenship free nsem etimo anya very careful. Then ebema ya gye citizenship. Ade ebema ya gye citizenship eye bibi a enye ade a kro ha no ya gye atum. Ebi ni se case eba ene ne nansen a court of appeal agye guy no a deport no. The bottom line is say nsɛmɔne bia obedi criminal offense bia obeye emma public no ebo brim emma public ni suro. Bibi to say sexual offenses. Bibi to say serious fraud. Bibi to say serious violent offenses. Sa nneɛma no nyinaa ɛyɛ offenses a ebetimi ama yagye wo citizenship efiri In addition to that, so we register now we naturalize as a British citizen. Ebetimi agye wo citizenship. So we practice fraud, deception, and concealment. Ni nyinaa yɛ grounds a ebetimi agye na mom fan to adwe mu say agye o British citizenship a wo indefinite stay woni indefinite stay oba no so yagye ne British citizenship a oni stay oni hwe or ye illegal enti mom anya very careful na ye ne ye mano kasa ye be mo mate ase se niema bi wo ho a eni so omo ye because Ghana constitution is say omo ye Ghanaians and a British immigration rules and a nationality act say we bisa utimi ye organa ni no ye beje o citizenship no na ye twa wonsu manya see say question bi wo ho a ye betimi
yo uncle be ade de hu de bata ye nhwe bibio baby a ode twa to e kra say ye gifre nsem a ema enye wa adwen say wo indefinite stay yo ye mfa ne say ye nhwe generation upon generation no me ba me ye British citizen ni me mami ena ma wo me ba ono nso magye citizenship ne bi e de ama no na unfortunately ono akoye bibia ense na emfatanti no ye be stripping off ne citizenship no na ye je free ne nsam yi minim se ono na individual ne ne be deal mpacho na ye be ji efre ne nsam ye be je free ne nsam so ye se ye be den ye be deport no because onye wabeda ne illegal na ayembia membisa se ne maame na me da so kita me de no se eba ne saa bibi wo ho a metumi aye se ne se ye ma no citizenship ne kra na me ba no ena me wo citizenship ena mra ne baabi nso efan bi nso ka se me ye citizenship de a metumi apply e bibi e de ma me ba a ma wo no ayembia oho emra no ebet gina etia saa emra na me de twa ato na na se bibi enu a obetumi aye kra afa ho anase bibi wo ho a obetumi aye afa ho Uncle Ben.
Well, I mean, first of all, no, the question I was here beside said, then a banner, yeah, deprive of the citizenship. Aya conduct. Then you know him say both immigration rules and British nationality rules. No, emphasis was on conduct. And intina even who breach immigration rules cry a 10 years. So now within the immigration rules, your friend be your friend is suitability test.
Okay.
And within the Nationality Act, a friend be a friend of character requirements. Both are evidence chrese one wusuban nye. It is a wusuban bi enya na ma yajo British citizenship. O hwa asa suban e betimi ama stay ana. O British citizenship kra na yaje na stay. Can you imagine say obi a oye rapist, oye sexual offender, oye serious fraudster, oye obi a wa commit violent offense including harm, stabbing, murder, manslaughter, and it's any money nyina. Yaje citizenship. Then ebe ma ya mano asetena. Or meet suitability test under both the paragraphs, which is the 320s, very, very draconian requirement, and answer any of the conduct issues within Section 6 and Schedule 1 of the Nationality Act. Both guidance notes refer to conduct. Or say British citizenship, yeah, they a privilege. In the same way, Sanson a settlement will chromo and leave to remain. I was so my assessment say who meet both the suitability test and answer the character test. Sadly, unfortunately, so we will be our committee serious offense, and you're very likely some within the rules, you will be a friend of private and family life. So family life is so strong. Say and was a mawa setna. Your case law, you win. Menoka say you were 4 cases. Yatro 2 say a Jomo British citizenship because of misrepresentation, but also because of fraud. 4 no yakun 2 are successful. The last 2 nothing has started. Area bia ema yem hihie ba. Omo aye represent omo nyina no. Omo nyina omo yem hihie omo. Omo yere ne omo kumu aye worried. Say ye be deport omo ana. Area was you pay particular attention. Near ensure say then ye betimi aye. Into the next area person me can say then I will betimi aye won commit sa offense. First of all, no, there was difference between deprivation, and answer revocation, and nullification.
Yeah.
Nullification, no. The difference between nullification and revocation is say nullify British citizenship. Naturally, say when you're British crowd. Now, reference I may no 42, may 43 for omo register and omo naturalize. Anna revocation no say ya ma British no by a from sem. Both no the entire bema ya just add in from sem. With knowledge, so we use to obi identity. At the British citizenship, you who near Gia, you better nullify British citizenship. And just a 1 year British that. Okay. Revocation, a fraud, and concealment, and misrepresentation. Case I may deal with. Nipano, Oman will say in 1992, or your visa application, or see a friend a queer mansa. In 1998, or your visa application, or see a friend or Adole Ayoko. In 2004, or your visitor's visa application, or see a friend or Ache no go through. Oba UK no, oba woba, ana ode Ayoko no ekowoye. Ode Ayoko no kowoye no, Ache no dia wamfa nyahwe, ana oto Ache no kene. Ache no nso for a different date of birth. Within that no, ana okowari EU ni. Ana ode Ayoko no ode your first application, ode kowari EU ni no.
Oh.
Ana your man of 5 years, ana through that to be permanent residence, ana why a British citizen. Ne bana owo na ne bana papa ya British, but wanyama no. Enti obenya permanent residence no they apply for nationality man bano and man British citizenship. And ne bano ba beka and sawa. This is after 20 years. Omo who said we used to Ache, we used to Ayoko, we used to Adole, and we used to different date of birth. Luckily, yene ye man and because me problem our causing in meka no kra na kire omo say we use Ayoko we use Adole da and we use Atwe nso da. Your forms ni nyina wo ho. Your order forms no from your archives. Ma copy ni nyina me dia koma omo. Say mo say why misrepresentation because one can kire mo da. Say we apply for visa wa Ghana da. E use din foforo. But yes, you catch trouble. Indeed, the change of name, you catch any sonye. Onye the change of name, no. Yeah, change of name no refer to 3 names in Inina.
Okay.
Yeah, the account. Now, I've told her, say we will win this case. I'm very confident say we will win because on practicing deception. And there, why you say was a sunny ding, and the last one was a sunny date of birth. But reason why this is the date of birth and I say, ne papa and ne mama nko school da. Ti oba UK no be hu say date of birth of the man no. Ne uncle be back and no you woman the same day. Ti o catch and say there be Adole date of birth in you correct and o cause sign. You wo evidence wo ho. Ne mama din a won a birth certificate so and ne mama din a won a voters register are different because ne mama use ni day name akosua and the voters register or use a Christian name, Mary. Those are the nuances. They be I am a catcher Crawford said, don't hide it. You're up front. One said 20 years or one kofaba. But thank God say, or my who say why this are as you're correcting on the spot. Where you are answer. By your answer. This is how you correct mistakes. Why? So where you should be da, where your application, it be so where you should be da. Fasha 99.9%, and you are the check it. But say 20 years down the line, omo baba kase, where you should be da na one can of crunch. I say, hey, when I mind check, me catch remo for the copy ni. On say, ubonso omo now man say you've been truthful throughout. You are allowed to change your name anytime. You are allowed to correct your date of birth. Yes. What you are not allowed to do is to deceive the Secretary of State. We say, you also where you should be that, also mean you should be that. This is how we resolve these problems. And thank God, sir, those cases are involved. No? So you're involved near advice on our fan quadia, you bet me a redeem problem.
Okay, wow. Share. Adofo we die mama nkyerem ye ka nimdie ni nyansa. Hey, come to BWF Solicitors. One baby akofa. This is a typical case. One ade no. Into nim say ne etie me say o case no ewu awie. Aye buruburo, aye condemned to nothing. O de sisa wo ho na bra. Se ne ankebe a chreche mu. Ye nim kwan a ye be fa so a ye be go into the archives. Na mum kai hunu say nukura wo hwei ka nukura ne nko wai na ebenyane o sa na tie. Be truthful to every application na oye. Sene tie bia never hide anything na 20 years 20 years omo akwa kutu home office for na ya na obisa sent over millions of application do mo ni me de no mo kwa akwa digi obi 20 years past na chese omo adaje obi ahu enti no mo me nhwe ne yie ehia Uncle Ben beda was oh me questions ne nyina akwa memem na me hwe time no nso emre kwa na eko enti adofo me ba be bie phone lines na before I do that no me acknowledging your family na ewo ebusia yewo ye kan say line no so nyina media ne so even nearby Obibi Kwame Obiba Kwame I say good morning Uncle Ben I connected from Ghana. Nyamensha Obiba Nana Kofi Bodewuro share Munshare na enkwenim Dr. Sadom, of course, Yenjao, ho also, honom, Edi Juma Papa, Nyamensha, Anti Docas, na Nana Kofi, and so ho, ya, yen secretary of so no, can wow, Nibiama, Minetches, and see what's no, I had Danny, Crana, you bet to me, Ediamau, na Ebecoso, Michael. Michelle Similo, I mean Similaos or something. Sorry if I may have pronounced your name wrongly. Fachemi why watching live from Manhattan, New York. Nyame Ensha, David Asamoah, Nyame Ensha, all those on board. Nana Ajima, Ezekiel Johnson, Kofi Antubam, Munina, Nyame Ensha, Munshare, and let it go further and further. Now, Nkrofo Enya home na omuntie. Baby telephone lines no edi atum. Baby telephone lines no edi atum. Kenneth Kofi Oforiboatin say good morning. Yeah, Joe, so Kenneth, yeah, Joe, so also good morning, Jennifer Brown, also see best firm in the UK, yes, best firm in the UK when it comes to legal matters, whichever way you pass, remember, come to only one place, that is BWF Solicitors at Seven Sisters, 214 to 218 High Road. We are there. The telephone numbers that we are going to use today is 0208-123-1016. We've not changed it. And you can also call the number 073-9920-8468. We also have the WhatsApp note. WhatsApp note, just call or leave a message on WhatsApp note, not voicemail. Please, when you call and it goes to voicemail, don't leave message over there. I may not be able to get that for you. So call these numbers that are on board. Monfrefre numbers na on board na Uncle Ben waha oni ebedi nsem na Uncle Ben ye koye nimi Charles Emery thank you for joining us. Ye koye nimi nsem a wabeka wa manaye yende pa na chese no kre ewo hwe na ye hwe obi baso ye hwe nyoma conduct ni mo bi no yenim say conduct no ye wo major ones senia obobo bi so no major ones and I be minor ones minor ones and maybe in their discretion it may be minor or be discretion and minor e bi ni say bia ye can driving offenses nkiti ye can shoplifting nkiti a bi mo omusuban omuntumi hide na say saa nneɛma no ɛba ne sɛ yɛkyew ɛwɔ ho a ɛno nso betumi lead into saa deɛ yi anaasɛ woyɛ no consistent na kyerɛ sɛ yɛwusu na ntumi ngyae na ɛbɛma na aba ne saa mbia na obi deɛ once a while bi bɛfa ne sɛ obi fili application wayɛ shoplifting bi yɛ ma ne yɛne ne yɛkye no nanso yɛgyaa ne mu nti onim sɛ mbia na saa deɛ no yeni na nkɔ court anase ya fine ni skebi anase bibi no eno nto can count into ofili application na bibi sa you've experienced such a thing and also do you have to declare it anase you can ignore it sa nkitinkiti na confusion crofo kakra into no patro betime ya no na ya fire telephone calls mienu na
okay well I mean first of all no so wo British nationality application or duty say we disclose all convictions now bear in mind say first na criminal convictions so no it may be penalties into speeding offense no all those and shada criminal conviction no a penalty into also we disclose it. Parking offense and your penalty. Speeding, driving under the influence, a penalty. I will say we disclose it. Say your caution. Caution, dealing with a potentially, no, not potentially, Caution is dealing with a criminal offense other than in court.
Okay.
Into a different sort of punishment. Into your amount caution, I will say declare.
Okay.
Sir, we will be a untia with TV license near the magistrate court, I will say declare. Untia will cancel tax near the magistrate court, I will say declare. The only reason Tia make us is both instances, you bet me they want to prison.
All right.
Yes. And the other one at the American say, so when you're sure, just declare it.
Right.
When you're not sure, declare. Because say a parking offense, I'm say wako park at Tesco's near my ticket. Na untimim frame na umbizam so lawyer min declare we na min declare. Na eba wa dream now your concern, just declare it.
Okay.
Because it's relevant, they will ignore it. I know my say application because they need to justify say umu use to be a law non kasi use against you and find you setna.
Okay.
I say this to people. Trying to be smart won't help you. I wish I can show from AN the declaration what it says. Hopefully, maybe about next time. I may try to be sure. From AN, and then you fail at the year nationality. Those days, now a paper form. So see, I'll bet me online all those paper form. That's all. Declaration, say BB to me. Yes?
Yeah.
Mekachiremo. Until say a decision in application. So when you any of these penalties, including criminal offense, conviction, caution, investigation, bail, duty, so will be declared.
Okay.
Your case bakoha. A yes Supreme Court case. A Supreme Court and say all those any concealment and any misrepresentation and any fraud no or continuing duty so why apply for British citizenship na yen fama unkuto dia
Right.
na BBC
You have to
I will so
declare.
declare.
Okay.
I very very important and this again or meet me I concealment I your British citizenship reference.
Okay. Wow. Uncle Ben, no dey nanka minimum. Me say why your application ne call na asem ne to eche dey no dey common case ho. Thank you very much. Odofo awan ho masum pacho. Your friend say na o kasa free him pacho me ente wonka. You Okay. 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 Yo. Na just so date of birth when we say near o maame ne o papa de ma no enye the right one to person o sesa so yo Uncle Ben wa Uncle Ben pacho wadaro ma o.
Well, I mean, first of all, so date of birth you're wrong. I was saying, baby, I wore one. It is a Ghana birth registry. I was saying, now omu issue new birth certificate amount. Now omu issue new birth certificate. And now they are a new passport. Now what resolve was our issue, no. And you know, obey me. The second part, and it's or the or sister Emma Bahano. The law no matter how say will be to me any family member but the requirement and say was so situation of woman are very dire because of exceptional particular family circumstance. So will be to me I trust more particular dire situation. It may be so be any hobe show. It may also be say it be a nipa no show no abuse omo. It may also be say usually be in some other countries it be a civil war crisis. Those are the factors. Ghana, yaya baako a successful, and I keep referring to this. Now, papa ni sojeni, no a kennel, but no a alcoholic, and to not born in manopa. All those and colana di over 18. Law no my inquire my 18 about. This is about about 1999 some American. But the definition of some particular compassionate or difficult family circumstance. The definition is the same. It hasn't changed. To bet me, I say more dire situation. Obet me the omaba.
Okay, now I'm so bisa bibi we say now our British passport is here no and so be affect and I say obey den akwaji we no abra oye British citizen. Nti now I confused.
The date of birth now.
Bachane.
Well, so of course, omo particularly difficult. A pension for.
Okay.
So date of birth and the difference in too much. Onyari or mesesa.
All right.
But for British citizenship, you know, and internet was all very clear on reason to also sound date of birth. You know. Most Ghanaians, you know, because our parents, you know, literate, and record keeping in the the date of birth, and you be a ball almost but you have to be absolutely careful. The legal advice, they decide. Yes, so you say age difference, you know, it be a couple of weeks, it be a couple of months, it might be a year or two. Anything beyond that, and I raise the eyebrows and tell us you're very, very careful.
Okay, thank you very much. Other for our home so pacho say be friend na me pick ya me sremani die mo munya botransa mo pick ya don't just go straight away and be shouting hello. O pick ya tie say o beti me ne ana o beti uncle Ben ne e wo phone ne mo na me ma ho kwan na afide no akasa wa me sremo eni die mo yo nti other for our home so pacho ye fra say na o kasa friend. Okay. Pacho anope yetio. Mhm. Okay.
Each 1 or 2 meetings, you know, I had to stay for 3 months. But after working the visa period of 6 months, which is the visa period, and because I said I need to come back, I did the work period that is required to be done before I can enter.
Yo, Uncle Ben be you ano na minim se mi nhwenhwan wa minim se wo ka se wo be di 2 weeks. Na ye ma 6 months because most of the time the minimum visa period no ma only 6 months. While state is already 2 weeks. Na akoye 3 months there. And I just say in a way you overstay. But yes, you say you have reasons in tia a ban, sir. I think say when you explain with the reason attached now, a bedimum. But as to going and then knowing the time you can return it there. Pacho yembisa Uncle Ben only lawyer opinion. Uncle Ben Pacho Adaroma.
Yeah, I mean, first of all, say, obi wa oba na visitor. Obia maximum obet me atena 6 months anase o visa. No more than 6 months. But so visa no wu within 6 months I was say oko. To ka say oba for 2 weeks na ma 6 months. Just ka say udi more than that. Ochina bia no o meka say wutwa ntro kire omo. But so explanation ebi a BBC we yare and we be yare be exceptional be a keep evidence ni na send be next time we application and now they actually.
Okay. Yo, odofo awa homa so pacha otie ye ne fra se na okasa friend. Hello, pacha okasa friend, mayente onka. Good morning. Good morning. Yes, yetio. Yes. Wo na me pick ko na na nyewa. Okay. Uh-huh. Hey. Okay. Yo, Uncle Ben, Pachonia, Yanya Bema, Canono, say or says Bibisano, on declare na say or ignore.
Well, na ne kasa na form kakra menim de ntia technicians ye ho adwuma. But
Okay.
oka say obi twa ne tumu ana aseden.
No, see on any partner, I'm so much crime by na Casacasa Muna, or na assume. Now, born assume names any partner, any report to say or the sick kind na awono. Nti ma police be mu na police be mu na ne koye no ye can say on fili DPN bi na eche na ne partner ne ko san sisa na no say ne okai ne ye ntro nti no omo ignore case nti obi sa say bibi sa na oya application no e wo say odi baso say na asema akọ police station e wo sa kwan we so okay. Oh, okay. Uncle Bachote.
Well, mate a semi-criminal case and civil.
Okay.
Enti instead senk or ban on obey domestic violence application. Please for Nankasa. Yes, I was so declare. Unfortunately, I was so declare.
Okay.
Now oko court ne ko see saying yeah my order against one no oko court ne then see asem no omo di wie ya na ye throw no out and accident.
Uko court no asem no mo throw ni out and asa mo di ni sen. Okay. Okay. Anke ba so mo bogu ye because order na omo de man no omo de man no senka court na approve to become order say na ebe ya sa notification de be go against or no na mom court na say once oba na aka no kra ne de hu hia so they ignore oman state and oman stamp order na so to become an order menka ne sa.
Okay, well, I mean, first of all, say magistrate court in Antuma, and I say civil court in Antuma, that's fine. But I want to see Adio Musaimano. And I'm not going to comment on this. The bottom line is police were two routes on Betimiafa. One, say, on the charge for domestic violence offense. And I say, omobe yusu. The other one, and I say, omote yusu paano. And oko courta, na court esisupi. Enti, the omode ma wano, fama menhe, na yenhe sene betimi akana. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
Joe. Yeah, that's it, Uncle Ben. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, koye nimuno. Say, me wa message bi wo ha. Men kan kakra men hwe mo Facebook ne so kakra. Obi the message aba. O say or the Scania. Sorry. O say I receive. Mami mpiki we answer na noise menjai. But what am I for? Hold on 1 minute, mommy. Why? Say hi. I received my decision on my final 2.5 years as a parent of a British child just yesterday. And to my surprise, the no recourse to public fund condition has been removed. Though I didn't apply for it to be removed. How long should I wait for the biometric card and my passport to arrive? And the good news only share ni no bisa ho question Uncle Ben Pacho.
Well, I'm Selassie, I say, almost law no about restricting access to benefits, no. And this year, no, more proactive in the bit me ahe. Opea, unya, was a ubisa, but almost to me share. Now I was here the mawa, the mouth. Normally, they will win about 10 working days or biometric in a beba. And up to 10 working days, a beba. Ama, send you email so on sankai. Letter no, more email also. Now send here, they will biometric, a bebra.
Okay. Yo, and Nini just some Nini Ajipa or Honum. Other for one who must some patch up, it's you. Oh, free me and Tonka.
Good morning, my dear.
Good morning, Papa.
I
Okay.
can hear. Can hear.
Koso, Papa.
Application based on my British child.
Okay.
Yeah.
You know, lawyer, Timiana, Now, my year, I'm a son. I'm a from this income for an amount of work, or my email, message said, I'm more confirmed to me, say, my application has been submitted to Supreme Court. But about 4 days, yeah, confirmation behind Supreme Court one. Inti na kasi say deep say na time on the confirmation say o man sa application say that ya niya proof media me employees.
Oh, okay.
Na I think that doesn't even say but the kura indefinitely car 10 years let's go on. Let's hope so we know that so nema ben na ya wo di kan any dia wo di kan me masudi sana me na me to so na me
Okay.
Well, so why your application and at the BIA we are covered under Section 3C of the 1971 Act. Ain't say we are no under immigration rules. I was say employer no employer checking service ECS. So how do we account once a ma ya chere mo say na be ya ni se nkrofo sisi once our reference number no what the ma employer na obey ECS employer checking service. So we EUSS ni ana EU nia ana nebusuani a ɛna uma omo status code na omo dey check no and as we raise status code na wo dey share code na wo dey ma omo no ano aye two different process. Once omo email say omo nsa aka ana omo the documents no ko no wakobɔ nsa wi a omo bɔ nsa no wo upload documents na wo bɔ nsa omo de kɔma case work for no to omo bɔ amane say omo no documents no ko from there no it could be matter of weeks, days or months, nobody knows. But we your application no ansana will leave to remain no ewu a wo ho kwan say obekɔ so aye adwuma wo employer no so no duty ne say obekɔ so a check you because in the part of agreement with the home office ntia otimi agye wo ma wo ye adwuma ne say wo be ye adwuma na wo ye migrant a obi a migrant obi a only indefinite and as a British citizenship to be a limited leave bia no we a migrant worker enti I was all ECS and employer checking service.
Okay.
Yeah.
Pacha what you say? Hello, Pacha what you say? Oh, okay. Yo, other for one who must some Pacha I do so. Your friends and our casa friend.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Papa. Mommy, sorry. Pacha.
Because my submitting on the 3 weeks. Nipa na oye man. Asa won kan bia chen. O frɛ na o di chen. Ya. Free no on.
Pacha, o say what submitted there? O settlement application. O dey for lawyer so. Okay, now who be son on no say twen 3 weeks nie. Yo, say 3 weeks say enche bia. Yo, Uncle Ben Pacha, mommy. O say Na udi uma so udi email ma omo. Yo, me jiri sank ben be you ano, but 3 weeks there mama we application meaning say in term no nia obenya ni say maybe certificate of application ne etabantem, but as to say obeti omonka say wa de no omo ewie ano omo wie ye na em say 3 weeks ne de undu be bia cry bi mo cry why Pacho
application ben na why
kasa bebre ma
manye
kasa bebre
mpacho application ben na why ohema
or see settlement application
settlement for EUSS and answer for there or see settlement for there
for British citizen.
oh why
And
British citizenship
indefinite.
application
Indefinite.
or see indefinite like
Okay, or see an application here indefinite, but any EU or said
okay original British. First of all we have application we are no online a generated reference number we are I was a book appointment now ko bonsa bimo wo ho a ye be ka kire wo se unhia se obe book appointment because omo biometric wo but see almost everyone bia na ye maw why your application now what print your forms no section bi wo ho was a link bi wo ho was a click na de ko appointment no to book appointment ni wi a na wa upload documents no and to me sure idea or yeah but sometimes no yeah a mau email say menye appointment no or me mau link na wa upload the documents no to me nim adeporting and a lawyer na yema no until say me hu no I can't comment or man email I bet me the email na chire ni ahwe idea ati yeah
okay and then so say or friend across see on train or friend across see em train sanet ye were lawyers ye will be mo so mo de your friend is enkwan chen you the bepa bibi kakra di nti na ote ho me nka say bi ye were lawyers papa nti ya na ma hwehwe lawyers papa kira kwan why mama lawyer bi wo beka so meji 200 my yama me kira me kanu krapa na kira say lawyer bi ka kira so beji application 200 adwane free sa lawyer no nya papa yo mami okay we de nyabotra kakra why na bisa no say or sending email no or sending application online no onya email be notification with the reference number na ohu why yo nyame nshra so ye da say bye bye asem na ya na ya asefem na se ne atie bia no senior tibia no or say onya abotre mesra wo se wo frɛ na me pick o kono ya no apagya wo voice kakra why bi mu kasa boko I hope say enye depression bi mo no mo ma yenkenya ye ho na yenye nije na there is good news in the air yenka ye ho yo odofo ho ahoma so te me nka ye frɛ say na wakasa free
manye I hope say me
wo papa.
Yeah, because when I'm a question about na me ka say me de to so na matie nti na anke ben e chie mu kakawé no bu sam say matie ase na I think say de na me chire ne say me employers no emu sa me de ba it cash for no say me omudin the UKVF ba be boy nsa no for no ma me confirmation email say omo application omo ye bibia de akoma efficacy for efficacy for de mentie wo mo nka bia in case say my dwuma for no busamia application reference na me de be ma wo mo ana say just me train ma efficacy for no email me ansana manya code yesi code bi o ha so de ma wo na me bisa ana na pese me hu free anke mail ena me say bisa say so ukura indefinite biometric na 10 years dey be ewu a na so pese renew a yeah supporting documents be na ya wo de ka ho nti no de mantia nke be nka se o chire mu o nti no asem na ma say etimu bi nti me pacho a na sa na mbisa.
Yo, Uncle Ben, I made you this first one, you are no bambia one tin ye. Uncle Ben Pacho Adaroma.
Yes, the American is a when you code or your application under immigration rules now. Now when you EU near, when you use code, or we use ECS, Employer Checking Service. Once I when your reference 1212-001-3345, whatever it is, you know, a purely ECS. Or more year code no 34344 no. To code in a 3434. O process no ay simpler. Omo ntua fee. Usually EUSS application ye ntua fee. Omo no nyina na ye code no. Because application process no nyina go online. Until last year explaining employer checking service and employer status check. Ni nyina a different process. Baako na generate code mano. Baako what the home office reference number mano na ono dia check it. Say wo biometric card ewu ana e ba be wu a e wo say wo apply for replacement e free enra me ye bi me time on me ho it take me 15 minutes and e free of charge ade a wo be hia no omo no mbeka a kire to fill out form ni wi a omo obi be a friend document list. I don't know how bad so now the aye. Question the baby answer man, and then the baby documents out there. To be ball with evidence. Normally, no. First, the nan come baby 2 years evidence. A chance won't fee chromo for 2 years. So see 2 years no nya adwuma biom because under EU law no. Under Appendix EU no. We free 5 years up to 5 years are still to me ba. Under British rules no. 2 years. And you mum bisa evidence. But how fill form now? From NTL for biometric residence card. Remember, say you will BRC and you will BRP. Who apply for BRP and you BRC. BRC need a form of more limited leave to remain. BRP need a form of more indefinite. Or fill it online form now, free. List in a bachelor idea or the baby.
Okay. I hope say we nya yes.
Yeah. Well explanation. Uncle Ben, that's be brave.
That's
yes, that's it. But I to some me why. You okay? Yen call away na fe de yen kind 1 more 2 be na yen call. But your friend was saying now kase friend ya na page your voice kakra de mama why? Hello, Odofo. Yes, but who kase friend? And patch up with your voice, Kakrama me why? I say me team. Me tell on kana my voice and cost rock Kakrama me.
Before I can return as a visitor again within the same year.
Oh, okay. Sorry, let me bring it down. Not just said Ubasa different visa, but not on the 6 months. Then they are more multiple, no, right? Oh. Oh, okay. And dear me, Uncle Ben, Patro, no, Emra da ho.
Well, I mean, what be ha. Period be any hoa obesamba utimi buy any time. So will be here. But we are very suspicious. Say what be 5 months or what could do 1 month for Ghana? What be 5 months or kuta multiple visas, no. 6 months near multiple, obet me about 1 week, work or 1 month, about 1 week, work or 1 month. Are possible. Maybe our conference and our meetings in the Sanya money, there's no time limit. But bibia we bia no enisa wo ma impression say hana wote
Ote.
2 by 5 months or 1 month for Ghana 5 months wo mu hu a wo ma biom and unless we will be potting here now advice I had ma obia na say we feel say bibi na be ki watena ha wo ye application na explain it ebi a wo ba bi awo wo pese wo behwe wo nana ay possible so wo ba wo pese wo di 6 months nti wo so wo kase me di 6 months pase wo kase wo be di 2 weeks na wo ba na wo betenem na wo kɔ na wo ba ba bi wo be start adwuma na osesa abra aya wo hu ana ay very suspicious nti de wo ye bia no to me wo ho but just say in moderation everything in moderation is good.
Okay. Pacha se we nyanti ase no. Yeah, that's it. What's your program, Nadia? Yeah, that's it. Why? Now we're subscribing to our YouTube channel, no? So why? Nyamen show. Yeah, da Birmingham for nyina ase. Yeah, I'm spread the good news, no na nkwa echiri maye. Why? Yo, Uncle Ben, me mami a me di kan na SMCC. I was saying bisa me question because nyanti ase ni yi. No, our agency ni bi care agency, any nursing agency bi. Now our contracts also about 10 different companies contracts or momo workers almost every time, every day bia. Now wasan our accommodation place oji offer workers ya omo wo ho into omo ko edwuma day to day ya nature say everything is being managed no bisa say into ono sa no senior explanation na o kan no on to me apply for sponsorship license ni bi NG emfa from outside the UK embana.
Well, the test whether say or supply employees am a third party no I one or control employee no one of my employee need direction. One utianika. One on an assigned employment contract.
No.
Well, one or direct employee no. One or direct no. Ain't he say would now this is what people don't know. I'm about check it on company house. Because most of this business is a limited liability company. Ain't you okay. Ain't you company house no. Well, business now it will be there. So business in the employment agency, then it won't work. So your employment agency, agency, any nursing agency, no. Sometimes I had differences because case or my man A-rated or pretty somehow to say nursing agency. But our total control over everything. Ain't nursing home now omo all those nursing home no nyane dia no. The workers no omo contract to run the nursing home. Into no running nursing home no.
Okay,
the only thing I met me I say or mama business name ne omo memo and I say memorandum memorandum now. An articles of association now. I will go online and check, and I can tell her. I feel your question be my draft here, me the bisa. The first question now, all the cases by a bisa munyana and say, who confirm say won't fa who recruit will be for to win a recruitment agency. Yeah. So we a recruitment agency. I won't qualify, and it's a bit nuanced. And want to say baby questions, and I can't tell. She can call me or find me email man and send them the documents and I will check
back
and
to
confirm
you.
to her.
Back to you, Mate.
Okay.
You, Mate.
Yeah.
Okay. Yamrena soon. Yamrena be but say my hodi obi online. Last call and patch obi to me ama question na fedi di medina baby. Hello, caller. Hello, the 411. Yes, say you are.
Metacho metimi akasa.
Pacho koso na kasa mami why?
Okay yo. Pacho ya da wanse ni adwuma mo yen so metia Uncle Ben so. Na mikasa free Oxford. Me question ni say me father me worry EU ni. Na me was pre-settle. Even though I said the dana Uncle kase me settle, which is a but more spiritual settle. No. Now, me father by 2020 no, and I may apply settle ni be man no more the man so. And I me pese me father e de ko ware me stepmother na ordinable but yeah no omu refuse ye they unqualified for as a family member because of say we stepmother na me busa say chance wo ho say wo appeal a okay and I say just me try my father nya ono ni 5 years no so no nya no settle we ansa na etimidi akọware na say bitimi aye application in under UK immigration so.
Okay. Yo.
Yeah, Manyeti, say when the problem no.
Matthias.
Under the appendix EU, family members here, mama or papa or nana. But in this case, mama and mama there, but one mother, one removed into her stepmother.
Yes.
Now, this is where legal ingenuity comes in. Mother, definition of mother there, a biological mother, and as a legal mother.
Mother.
All I can say is almost classified as stepmother and as or your extended family member. And extended family members, almost way new 2020 December. Because the reference point, because Papa no enye EU ni. Papa no ba ano ye EU ni and our worry EU ni. Into reference point, aye nipa no step mother. Argument be we would love to run. I mean, these are the difficult areas I person run. We like to test the law. So I normal refusing now. Obey me, I try never putting indefinite and no within that, and I also show 18.6. Or person your argument on this point. Of course, you can. Obey me, I appeal. Application is free. Into no problem. Obey me, I appeal. Now, wako court. Now, on your argue by family member. No, say stepmother. Don't say a family member. It's an argument that you can run. Yeah.
Yo, other for Untie. I'm sorry, I told you now. Testing it and running. Yo,
let me see. Answer now, day man. Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. And near make a count say one said yeah, the pet challenge because law no trona dot ko any comma now come out any daughter. I perceive a feature money say I am be a refrain and I say to me I give a case and ain't no say how dear yes if I brand near testing near running why near who say
now me father no so age so SI a big yikaka because me age or obenya 80 this year and I'm stepmother also bear 45. But still na no me all my adwuma de.
Okay, enye hu o de bibia ye sohwe why ni hu
okay
eno na ma law na ye de no oti asentu nim se ne obesi fa tro case si afa enti no say how dear me de sa na make tro bomodian na be fa be so BWF Solicitors ni en test waters no ne en hwe bia na etumi anante nsuo ne so why
The only thing I met me I can't on saying I test the law no. One test now we your response. Omo EU appendix EU now. Omo you see the word parent. Definition of parent, almost a parent, but omo other definitions for family members in ascending line and descending line, which then connotes an idea of blood relation.
Right.
But where do we use a parent? Step parent, so a parent.
Exactly.
Now I say this because we like to play with the law. And I play with the law. I know the case say, but we will play it. We will argue till we get a resolution.
Exactly. Uncle Ben, that's it. We love that spirit. Yes, for native for better munyina say mama grona de Charles Emery. Thank you. Say God bless you, Jennifer Brown. Say best firm in the UK. Pearl Kashi very informative piece. Yes, of course. Charles and Susan by and not just say now share pra if we Ghana. Yamen shall promise to see I have the same problem of the date of birth. I went to change. I went to change. Why can't I do? I want to change. Why can't I do? I didn't get that right. Joel Fua say very insightful. Joel, nyame enshraw. Na yenua ba our honorable secretary or say call the studio lines or the nina be go or say nia ubetumi afre ba CCM say me freezy lines into ofra onya otwen kakra no afre office ni mom na omuni we deal direct. First of all, Enso Ebausi, good morning, Uncle Ben and all the BWF solicitors. Thanks for your good advice. Now, Yauchumesi Ankra, fantastic solicitors, and you are doing great job. Kudos, BWF. Miss Remo, na meka yemrin so ko say Tanya Poet. Udino de wakakrama me here me glasses ni pouch. Na mo meka message. You see, good morning, beautiful people watching and listening from Bangkok, Thailand. Oh, yes. You are welcome, my dear. Thank you for joining us. Mami Sewa Brekotua or something. Yeah. Or say, I am a British citizen. I want to bring my mother. What do I need, please? I think we've come to the end of the show. So you can call the office line. Our dear secretary put it on board. We can call the office line. It's running under the screen. Pick it up, call the office line, and then book. You can book a telephone appointment with them. It doesn't matter the location you are. We have telephone consultation, we have Skype consultation, we have video consultation. It doesn't really matter your location. So just call the number and tell them you want to book an appointment to bring in your case, and they are more than willing to take you on board. So do so. The numbers are online. BWF Solicitors, 4th floor, Anna House, 214 to 218 Tottenham High Road, Seven Sisters, London, N154 NP. We have these two very proactive numbers that we use. Office line 0208 493 7340. I'm going to repeat that again. 0208 493 7340. And then we have an emergency number in case of anything. You can call this number 077 1276 1884. Please, you can call that number and then bring in your case. Thank you so much. Our dear sister in fact, has done justice to the numbers and addresses over there on the show or on the Facebook page. So do so. And then Nimako Ofosuhine Mbaucho. Mefao question. No, Nyame Aduma. Tomorrow we are still going to continue with the community and the law, like our dear honorable lawyer said, Uncle Ben. We are a community-based firm. We love the community. We hear the cry of the community and we bring solution to the community. So we have the community and the law tomorrow, 4 to 6, between the hours of 4 to 6 p.m. Our dear brother Oreku Frimpong will be hosting that program. We'll have one of our best lawyers also on board to digest some of these topics that we we brought to you today. So make a date with us. Join us tomorrow at the community and the law. We stream on Facebook Live. We stream on YouTube as well. We stream on the radio, BW Radio and Abawa Radio. Some of the radio stations also pick directly from us. So make a date with us and join us over there tomorrow, 4 o'clock to 6, 2 hours solid program. And so we've come to the end of the show. I'm going to ask our dear lawyer to give us just something just under 1 minute what we can take home today. Uncle Ben, over to you.
Manyeti, okay. First of all, no topic I discuss I am very critical. So see how many can Rwanda. Me who say GB News 4 I send me text or my own some more friend. I'm some person about program so I'm not sure why, but we'll see what we can do. I am very crucial in the sense that even mainstream news, which is GB News here making, Obia running with it. Mama extra cautious about ABI and Bana. I ask sometimes I'm fairless on because on call Ghana down the British passport that ain't
Yes.
on to me. Advice is very important.
Exactly.
And a knowledge, for me, knowledge a boy to develop the human being and kasano, so you're very important. To where knowledge I was here share. Mama obia ne maame anane nana anane papa anane nana bema eye Ghana ne ntiase ne se uchi Ghana kra no nko Ghana da na ha kra ne wo na odi nsemone wa ha because of your constitution no and section 42 of the British Nationality Act and 44 no yeah the nebeko obeko Ghana enti omonye careful so when be more behavior I think it's in order mama you're very extremely careful more nationality no and I keep saying this so what the boni be da mesra woni lawyer nkasa no hwese no be siesie ho ama na 20 years down the line yanko twamba amenu sa me create problem nyame hwe nyina na bank holiday ebe nyina you're very careful but you're enjoying so ya bompa se nyame be ma awia na bakakra na I want to correct cry how say that's so heating e wo dem it's really bad UK mo mo de na mo fa heating bra Boris Johnson be how the heat no ko bia ko fa bra heating mo
Uncle Ben, you better say, yes. Thank you so much for joining us. Oh, these lovely people on board. Edamasi, Isaac Dodo, Alote, I've seen you watching. God richly bless you. Edamasi, Monkoswa, and share and see ya, and keep sharing. You know, let's expand our community. So keep sharing. I want to see new names on board. You know, na embua kono na yenko yenim. Nyame adumochna community and the law yibishia. Ebenda masisa ebium midini manyeti ufremi manyeti na wama mitumwa yemede. Nyame nka yenho mismo announcement amnibeka on say English school no ya shasi ebimo yo madie ebimo so akotro exams no with good result. Yemede keke. Enti no mombeka ye ho ne yensua de ne nya we na ne ye de aye application for care work na no so ekoso den enti mama be mo embu ye woni amapa e wo kwan so e de mamo nyame nka ye ho na me hia ye nyina da se ne ye besan ehia biom medamase bye bye
ye fema ye wo London ya ji abasobodie bebre ne ya redare e wo mranse mu eye legal services BTC family law, matrimonial law, immigration, dispute resolution, Ghanaian customary, any family law. What BWF dear, yen solicitors edi enijie ene twitwaje wo na ye bo nso nya den kra. Yen partner penin pa Bernardo Wusu aye lawyer e wo UK memu bebru mfie duonu nkron 29 years. BWF Solicitors kura won ho inti se ba na ebusuansem bi ti se child care eya abofrahwe mu awaregya ye ho twuma mentwe ene ohye ana injunction ye de to domestic violence so a ye ma legal assistance ya edimu na ye adwuma nso ye child care any family team no nim nia wo famu eweni ye wo brei mu enu nti ne yeto ye mbo ase ma wafutu a esefata ewo kokoa mu yen senior partner ayobia Law Society Family Law Accreditation Panel agina tumu no sanso ye member na kyerese eba no se ye gina wachi etwitwaje wo family any matrimonial cases ho a unni haw kra upe advice ewo immigration sensem ho wo BWF Solicitors de ye immigration team no abredare ewo general immigration ho nsemsem kosi complex immigration work permit student visa ho totoye any entry clearance visas, family visas, ni appeals. Yen senior partner a member na wasan ginatum ewo Law Society Immigration Accreditation Panel. Inti se taiwachi a wunni haw kra. Ye bie an office free juada ekosi fiada anopa no nkron pa mu ekosi enumre no nsia eye 9:30 am kosi 6 pm. Na memene dan so appointment nkoa free anopa no ndu ekosi ewia no 9 10 am kosi 4 pm. Your 4th floor ewo Anna House 214-218 Tottenham High Road, London N15 4NP. Sawun 93 Seven Sisters Underground nso a kwantie bi. Yen senior partner Bernardo Wusu san ye barrister ya gina tumu na oye Ghana Bar Association member ena wasan gyina sɛ mranimfoɔ ɛwɔ court cases ya ɛfa Ghana law ho. Wa advising local authorities, official solicitors office, ni solicitors bebree ɛfa Ghanaian law ho yie. Na osan yo bi a otai kasa ɛwɔ radio ɛne TV so fa Ghanaian law ho.